India's postal department will soon approach the cabinet committee seeking at least 1900 crore capital, which it will require to set up a commercial bank if indeed the Reserve Bank of India permits it to enter the banking sector. Now, the development is that the finance ministry has in writing expressed its objection about the proposal that is about the plan of India Post to enter the banking space, saying that the department doesn't have the necessary core expertise to handle the banking business, and this can also impact the core activity of the postal department, which has been in losses for many years. That's what the finance ministry feels. But the postal department has its justifications. They say that they have the deposit taking experience of several years, and on the experience which is required to handle the credit that can be built up through a professionally run management. Capital is a big question for the postal department because according to the Reserve Bank's rules, at least 500 crore net worth is required for any new bank who wants to enter the business, but that won't be sufficient. There are other expenses to roll out the banking services. So the postal department estimates at least 1900 crore within the first 5 years, of which 700 crore it requires immediately. So there are people who supports the postal banks entry into banking, saying that they have 1.5 lakh outlets across the country, and if they are allowed to set up a bank, that will be a major boost for financial inclusion in India. But there are counter arguments as well. So it will be interesting to see what will be the call Reserve Bank of India takes on this proposal.